Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. The Manual Harmonic Patterns with Interactive Inputs indicator is a drawing tool that allows users to draw XABCD on the chart. This indicator will tell whether there are any harmonic patterns on the drawings made. The indicator is based on interactive inputs and requires users to choose XABCD points. To apply this indicator on the trading chart, search the keyword Manual Harmonic Patterns with Interactive Inputs on the TradingView Indicator folder here, and select the Manual Harmonic Patterns with Interactive Inputs by He Who Must Not Be Named. This indicator is not like other trading indicators, which will by default or automatically appear on the trading screen chart when applied. Also, take note that this is not a scanner, and it will not scan historical bars for harmonic patterns. This needs to be used rather as a drawing tool instead. This indicator will not check if selected pivots are correct. It assumes users know how to select the right XABCD based on pivot high lows. The bullish pattern will have X, B, and D as pivot lows and A, C as pivot highs. Similarly, the bearish patterns will have X, B, D as pivot highs and AC as pivot lows. For example, if price crosses XB or BD line, then the pattern is considered to be invalid. The order of inputs should be in ascending order. X pivot should come before A and then B, C, and D. This again is the user's responsibility to select pivots in the right order. It's time I show you how to draw valid bullish and bearish harmonic patterns. To draw the valid bullish harmonic pattern, Step 1. Watch out for a bullish swing. Mark the beginning of the bullish swing here as point X. Step 2. Mark the highest peak of this bullish swing here as point A. Step 3. Watch out for a bearish swing that makes a higher low, as we can see here. Then tag it as point B. Step 4. Mark the next bullish swing that resulted in a higher high swing, as we can see here, as point C. Step 5. Study the bearish swing from the higher high swing of point C here. The bearish swing down here can be tagged as point D. Make sure the price at point D makes a lower low price swing, as we can see here below point B. As we can see, the harmonic pattern automatically becomes shaded with the signal of cipher anti-Butterly. This signal suggests the bulls are ready to pull up price. Next is to buy the bullish candlestick at point D here. Our stop loss can then be placed below the last low swing in this market. We can target point C as the profit target zone or simply trail our profit. For a bearish harmonic pattern to be valid, this bullish pattern here needs to be upside down. Step 1. Watch out for a bearish swing. Mark the beginning of the bearish swing here as point X. Step 2. Mark the lowest trough of this bearish swing here as point A. Step 3. Watch out for a bullish swing that makes a lower high, as we can see here. Then tag it as point B. Step 4. Mark the next bearish swing that resulted in a lower low swing, as we can see here, as point C. Step 5. Study the bullish swing from the lower low swing of point C here. The bullish swing up here can be tagged as point D. Make sure the price at point D makes a higher high price swing, as we can see here above point B. As we can see, the harmonic pattern automatically becomes shaded with the signal of cipher anti-Butterly. This signal suggests the bears are ready to pull down price. Our stop loss can then be placed above the last high swing in this market. We can target point C as the profit target zone or simply trail our profit.